Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Fenix 5. First, download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. On your Fenix 5, go to the Settings menu, then select Phone and Pair Phone. Open the Garmin Connect app, select Garmin Devices, then Add Device, and choose your Fenix 5. Follow the prompts to enter the 6-digit code displayed on your watch into the app to finalize the connection. This initial setup is crucial for syncing your activity data. Next, let's connect your Fenix 5 to your computer. You'll need to download and install the Garmin Express application. Once installed, connect your Fenix 5 to your computer using its USB charging cable. Garmin Express will automatically detect your device. This connection allows you to easily transfer activities, manage maps, and ensure your watch's software is always up to date with the latest features and bug fixes, enhancing its overall performance and reliability. Enhance your data by connecting external sensors. On your Fenix 5, navigate to the Settings, then Sensors and Accessories, and select Add New. Your watch will search for nearby active sensors. For example, if you're adding a heart rate monitor, make sure it's worn and active. Select the sensor from the list when it appears. This allows your Fenix 5 to collect more precise data, like accurate heart rate zones or cycling cadence, directly from specialized devices. Experiencing connection issues. First, try restarting both your Fenix 5 and the device you're trying to connect it to, whether it's your phone or computer. Double-check that Bluetooth is active and functioning properly on your smartphone. Also, ensure all your software, including the Garmin Connect app and your watch's firmware, is updated to the latest version. If problems persist, Garmin's online support and forums offer extensive troubleshooting guides and community assistance for more complex situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.